Hello students, in today's session of quadratic equation, further very basic concepts regarding transformation of roots will be discussed through illustrations. Right? In earlier session, we have also discussed all these topics which you can review on SethiSwiftLearn. All these are also very important. Concern may go through this SethiSwiftLearn. Now, I will also like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SethiSwiftLearn, please subscribe the channel for future upcoming concept killing videos to get notifications. Now, let's start with the questions. Question is regarding transformation of quadratic equation. Through this topic, concept will be cleared if alpha beta roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are operated by a certain real number or integer value, where a, b, c, r belongs to real number and a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, roots will not be, equation will not be quadratic equation. Roots are added by a certain number, beta plus k. Replace x by x minus k. Subtraction, alpha minus k, beta minus k. Replace x by x plus k. Multiplication, k alpha, k beta, x by k. Right? Division, alpha by k, beta by k, then kx. Change of sign, minus alpha, minus beta, x by minus x. Reciprocal roots, 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, x by 1 by x. The roots are of certain power, alpha की power n, beta की power n. Replace x by x की power 1 by n. These are the methodology to change x by these numbers if operated by this one, where k is real number, n is integer. Right? Next question, next topic. Question is, if alpha beta be the roots of the equation, find the equation roots are this one. Given equation is x square minus px plus q. इसके रूट्स है अल्फा बीटा, राइट? रूट्स आर अल्फा बीटा. Now let x equal to q upon p minus alpha. Px minus alpha x equal to q. On simplification, alpha x equal to px minus q. X equal to p minus q by x. Therefore, x has been replaced by this one. Alpha is p minus q by x, right? Replacing this. So replacing x by p minus q by x. So p minus q by x whole square minus p minus q by x plus q equal to 0. On further simplification, p square plus q square x square minus twice pqx minus p square plus pq by x plus q equal to 0. This is goes q square by x square minus pq by x plus q equal to 0. On simplification, q taken common, x square minus px plus q equal to 0. Therefore, equation will be x square minus px plus q equal to 0. That is the answer. This is the required equation, right? Next question. Question is, if alpha beta is the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then find the roots whose equation is this one. Right? Then the given equation is ax square minus b x minus 1 plus c x minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Dividing both sides by x minus 1 whole square. A x upon x minus 1 whole square minus b 1 upon x minus 1 plus c equal to 0. Whether we are in a position to compare it with this one? No, it is not comparable. Here is plus sign, here is minus sign. To make it plus, 1 minus sign common लीजिए यहाँ से, it is a square 1 minus x we can write here. A making b come positive, writing x minus 1, 1 minus x. So A x upon 1 minus x whole square plus b upon 1 minus x plus c equal to 0. Now check. In this case, x has been replaced by x upon 1 minus x. Means after comparing with given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Means alpha will be x upon 1 minus x. Alpha minus alpha x equal to x. Alpha will be equal to x plus 1 alpha x. X taken common, 1 plus alpha. X will be alpha over 1 plus alpha. Right? Therefore, roots of the given equation in terms of alpha beta, alpha over 1 plus alpha and beta over 1 plus beta. This is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SethiSwiftLearn. SethiSwiftLearn. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.